Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your favorite browser and here in Google you can search the PostgreSQL. Click here downloads and here you can see that we have a different platforms here. Right now I am on Windows, so I should click here Windows, click here. Now here you can see the download the installer certified by EDP for all supported PostgreSQL versions. Download the installer, click here, and now you can hear that it shows the latest version is 15.2 and it should be Windows. Click here. Now it will automatically start downloads. Here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time to download and then we can install the same. Now as you can see, the PostgreSQL has been downloaded. Now double click here. Now you can see the installation window. Click here next, and this is a destination folder. Click next, and we need to all these features, so keep it as it is checked and click next. And the data directory, click next, and here you have to put your password. Now I have entered the password. Click next, and it's a default 5432 port number and keep as it is default. Click next, and the time database cluster will be as per your region and as per your language. I will keep it English India. Click next and click next and click next. Now it will start installing the PostgreSQL. Here you can see the installation has been completed, but here if you check this box, it will install the stack builder, additional tools and drivers application to complement your PostgreSQL installation. These are the more features for PostgreSQL installation. If you want to, you can check this box and click here finish. It will start download the other applications which will be useful in future for your PostgreSQL, but right now I don't need it. I will cancel this here. Click yes, click next, click here cancel, click here cancel. Yes, now we have installed the PostgreSQL. Here now we can see, here we can click all apps and see the PostgreSQL. Here you can see it's a PostgreSQL 15 and we can click here PG admin 4. Now the PG admin PostgreSQL has been started. Here we can see the PostgreSQL 15 and it asks for master password. Enter that password and click OK, and we can see now this way you can download and install PostgreSQL. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thanks for watching.